If you're looking for a light, crunchy salad that comes together in minutes, this is the one. This cucumber pepper salad is always a hit. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and Cake Mix Recipes. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make a quick, fresh cucumber pepper salad. It's a crisp, tangy side dish that pairs with everything from grilled chicken to burgers. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. Okay, so for our cucumber pepper salad, we are going to start by making the dressing. So in our bowl, I'm gonna add some olive oil. I always like starting with the dressing first and get that going in the bottom of the bowl, so then we can just add everything and it comes together easier, I think. We're going to add some rice wine vinegar and some soy sauce. And for a little sweetness, we're going to add some honey. Next up, we have some Dijon mustard. And this is gonna act as our emulsifier, just bringing everything together. And now we're going to start adding the flavor to this. We're going to add a clove of garlic. Now I like to use a garlic press for this because you really want nice, smaller minced pieces. You don't want any big chunks of garlic. So we're gonna get that in there, beautiful. And we're gonna grate some fresh ginger. Now, if you've never used fresh ginger, I'm gonna show you a couple tricks. First of all, you have to peel this. It looks a bit gnarly, right? Like it's got a skin on it. You've got to get it off. The easiest way to do that is a spoon. I know it seems weird, but you literally just drag the spoon over the skin of the ginger and it peels. Oh, I love the way ginger smells. Now you have to grate ginger or chop it up really fine because it is very fibrous. There's all fibers running through here. So I just like to take my rasp and run it right over. It basically turns it into a paste that just melts into whatever it is you're making. Now, there's no way you're going to use all of this ginger in one recipe. And don't throw it away. You take this, you wrap it up nice and tight in plastic, throw it in your freezer, and the next time you need fresh ginger, you have it. And you can just grate it frozen right in there because when it's grated, it'll just melt into whatever you're making. So it's perfect. Love fresh ginger, always have a knob of it in my freezer. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning to this. You don't have to add too much because there is some salt coming from the soy sauce. Tip there, I always use the low sodium. I want to control as much salt as I can. Okay, this is looking great. I'm going to put this aside and we are going to start on our vegetables for this recipe. Okay, so our dressing is done. I'm going to set that aside and we're going to work on our vegetables. So here I have a cucumber. I like to use English cucumbers for cucumber salads for a couple reasons. Number one, you can eat the skin. It doesn't have that waxy coating on it that traditional cucumbers have. And number two, the seeds inside are super tiny. So they're not like, you don't get big old cucumber seeds in your salad. So that's why I like the English cucumbers. So just chop off both ends. And you want to get nice thin slices here. I'm going to just use my knife, but this would be a great use for a mandolin. You can easily get nice, super paper thin slices of cucumber using a mandolin. But see what I mean about the seeds? They're so tiny. You don't get those big seeds. Okay, so our cucumbers are sliced. I'm just going to get those transferred into the bowl. And we're gonna set that aside again. And now we're gonna work on our peppers. And I like to use these little bell peppers. I think they're just, the size is perfect. They're just so cute. You can use a traditional bell pepper if you'd like. This is entirely up to you. But I'm gonna slice the ends off them and then just slice them into rings. And now I like the look of the different colors, so I'm gonna use some of each so I can get a nice color mix in our salad here. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna bring my cucumbers back in. We'll scoop these peppers into the bowl. We are almost done, I promise. Couple more quick things, but you are going to want to add these quick things because this is where the big flavor punch comes from. First thing is we're going to add some everything but the bagel seasoning. And I just love this because it's really got everything in it, right? We've got sesame seeds, we've got garlic, we've got onion. There's so much good flavor in here. The next one, and this is where we're gonna get a lot of umami, is this chili crunch. So it's kind of like the rage. It's like all over TikTok and Instagram and everything, but we're gonna add some of that in there. It's got some chili, it's got garlic, it's got oil, it's got umami. It's everything you want. It adds so much flavor. Okay, so now we're just going to gently toss all of this together so that our cucumbers and our peppers get coated in the dressing that we made and that everything bagel seasoning gets mixed around. I would recommend letting this chill for a little bit, like 30 minutes at least. Let everything come together and all those flavors can get into the cucumbers and the peppers, and then you're ready to eat it. Or you can just eat it just like this. So I'm gonna clean up, get this plated up, and then I'm going in. This cucumber pepper salad is light, bright, and has the perfect tangy bite. And there's only a handful of easy ingredients, and it's ready in under 10 minutes. So it's great for make-ahead meals or potluck, and it gets better as it sits. Now, I can't wait to dig into this, so I am going in. I added a little bit of the extra everything bagel seasoning, but I want a piece of each pepper and cucumber. Oh my goodness. You guys, my new go-to summer salad. The crunch, the flavor, it is so, so good. This cucumber pepper salad is definitely a keeper. It's simple, fresh, and bursting with flavor. You're gonna love it. If you love easy, fresh sides like this, you've got to check out my cucumber and onion salad. It's another quick win you can whip up in no time. You can check it out here. I'll see you over there.